What is going on, boys? Today we are going to be installing Ktuner V2 unit into my Kizar. But before we do that, I gotta get ready and wait for it to warm up a little bit out, because I'm pretty sure it's currently like 8 degrees outside. So let's go do that. So we gotta start off with a shower and a change of clothes. Bang! Alright, so shower's done. But before I go install the Ktuner, I do want to get a car wash and maybe vacuum out the inside of my car. I don't know. Like I said, it's like 8 degrees out. I think it warmed up a little bit, so maybe it's around like 20 now. But yeah, let's go start her up, get her warmed up, and do that. Alright, car's been warming up for about 5 minutes. We're gonna go out there after I got my free wash card, because I gotta get that. So as you can see, she is caked on with the salt. Unfortunately, I don't have a winter car. This is my only car. I have to park outside every night, so there's not really much I can do about that. So we are gonna get this heat kicking here, see heat. Alright, let's take off to get her washed. Just pulled up to the car wash, and gotta move forward here. We are waiting in this humongous line to get in because everyone had the same idea as I did. I'm just kidding. It's always busy. But yeah, we're gonna get the car wash, and then we're gonna go back home and flash the car. 25 minutes of waiting in line later. She looking a little better. A little bit. So we are back home. Car looks better. But we are gonna grab the Ktuner now and hook her up. Alright, so move this out of the way so I can see. We got the Ktuner unit. I'm gonna shut the door because it is cold out. But alright, so Ktuner right here. I've already opened it, but I haven't taken anything out. We got the mounting bracket and a bunch of Ktuner decals that I probably won't be putting on. Alright, so here we have the cord to plug into your computer, which I'm gonna have to do inside because I have a desktop, not a laptop. And that was actually the reason for me getting the V2 unit, is because I did not have a laptop, and I figured if I were to buy a laptop to use it, it would be, to use the V1, it would be the same price as me buying the V2. And I didn't want to have a laptop. I want to just be able to see everything on the unit itself. So here we have the OBD2 plug, and a little piece of foam here. Boom. There it is, the Ktuner V2. Alright, so here is the unit right here. Made fully out of metal. I did not know that. That's pretty cool. Alright, so got the keys. Should have the keys. There's the keys. Okay, so what you're gonna do is take the OBD2 plug and plug it into your OBD2 port, which I think is actually sideways on this car. Now you just plug the Ktuner and it will power on here. Alright, so it's giving you like the readout there. Alright, so push the button twice for accessories mode. And we're gonna close the car so we don't hear that. Okay. Would you like to lock this ECU? Bring the camera down here. Would you like to lock to this ECU? Go ahead and focus there. Oh my goodness. It's the glare. I can't. Alright. So you're going to hit yes. The unit has been successfully locked. The unit will now restart. Hit OK. And boom. So your Ktuner is now locked to the ECU, sorry. And now I'm gonna take it inside, get on the Ktuner software, and actually upload some tunes to the device. Okay, so I went ahead and uploaded 2 different tunes to the Ktuner unit. I uploaded the starter 19.5 and 23 PSI, and then I went ahead and did one that was factory, and then when you put it into sport mode it goes to 23, so I could put it back to stock if any reason I wanted to. I could just throw it back to stock, but still have that 23 PSI when I hit sport mode, and then obviously you can flash it back to stock whenever you want. So we're gonna go back out to the car and flash my car and take it for a drive. Alright, so it's telling me flash successful. Hit OK. Key vehicle off. Key vehicle back on. And we are all set. We can go take it for a drive if we want to. Let's go take it for a drive. Alright, so we are starting off on a little drive, and I haven't even left the complex yet, and I can already tell that throttle response is a lot better. Camera to slide. Alright, second gear. Okay, I guess that is a wow, I guess that's a confirmation that there's a little bit more power here. Alright, so we're taking it, trying to get on the expressway here. We'll open it up a little bit there. That is so nice. I'm so happy with this. Alright, let's get on the expressway here. Let's see what we're working with here. Oh my goodness. It is like driving a whole new car. What? This is crazy. My luck, I get pulled over right here. Oh my, I didn't even realize I was doing 100. All right. This isn't even in sport mode yet. I haven't even put it in sport mode yet. All right, let's take it a little easy here. Wow, that is like, that's crazy. The amount of torque. Whew. All right, so here we go. We're gonna give it a little bit of gas here. Oh my goodness, that was like quarter throttle. And we're hitting like 20 pounds of boost there. Woo! All right, I'm gonna go on a little bit of a joyride for myself, and then I'll update you guys when I get back. All right, so final thoughts on the Ktuner V2. If you were looking for a mod to do, hands down, this should be the first one. It is a little bit pricey, but then again, car parts are expensive. So yeah, it is like driving an entirely different car. When I cut off the camera, I took it for a little joyride, and I couldn't stop smiling, like ear to ear grin. So I'm definitely happy with the modification. More to come in the future. I am going to be building this car. It's almost spring. It's almost there. So I'm going to be doing a lot more to this car come spring. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you want more car content like this on my 2017 Civic Si, give it a like, comment down below what you want to see, and I will see you guys in the next video.